Today we're going to take a look at the Brave browser. We're going to download and install it, plus have a look at its features, why you should consider it and why it was created. Okay, let's go to the site and take a look. As you can see, even from the home page, they're already telling us that it's a privacy focused browser. Built-in ad blockers to help prevent against having our browsing habits tracked and ultimately sold on to data brokers and other advertisers looking to target us and exploit our browsing habits to sell and push products. Brave is built by Brendan Eich and his team. Brendan is one of the pioneers of the web, being the inventor of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla. So it's fair to say these folks know all about modern web browsers and their problems. With Brave Browser, they've tried to do something different by creating a browser that not only protects its users, but it rewards both the user and the advertiser for using the browser via its BAT or Basic Authentication Token, which we'll discuss later on. So let's go ahead and download Brave. Brave runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS and on mobile via the Play Store or the Apple Play Store for Android and iOS. The download link is also here above and in the description. Brave is based on the Chromium open source project that underpins Google's Chrome browser. Since the project is open source, users of Chrome browser will find Brave very familiar, and all of the extensions and features of Chrome work well in Brave as well, so it makes the transition really easy and it's quite familiar. Okay, so we're installed. We're just going to go through the welcome wizard. You can import your bookmarks from existing browsers now or later on, and opt to synchronize your browsing history between your devices as well. So the Brave shields are turned on by default, and we're going to just pick our default search engine. And we're going to enable Brave rewards. These are the basic authentication tokens I mentioned earlier, allowing you to earn or donate to sites that are part of the Brave ecosystem. You can also purchase BAT tokens on an exchange or send them to an external wallet for conversion to fiat later on if you want as well. This is just where you set your ad preferences and your auto contribute settings to whatever you like. Okay, and there's also the option to use crypto wallets or hardware based the Nano Ledger and the Trezor wallet as well. They're both hardware based devices. First open, you can see over on the right hand side your Brave rewards and your earnings. You can also see the trackers blocked and the amount of time saved from ads blocked on trackers blocked on other sites. And just here, just put in test. You can see here shields up. There's nothing being tracked from DuckDuckGo, which is kind of what you'd expect. You can see that DuckDuckGo is in fact a valid Brave creator, so you could donate to them if you want. So Brave also features private windows similar to Firefox and Google Chrome, with one notable addition in that it has also the ability to use the Tor anonymity network as well, for people who are really crucially privacy focused, and perhaps journalists or people operating in restricted environments, etc. But for most folks, just the standard settings should go a long way towards protecting your browsing habits and history from the search engines and data brokers. So that's it, folks. You can download the Brave browser by visiting brave.com, or indeed if you click the link in the description, which is my affiliate link, I'll get a small amount of BAT token if you choose that link, and it does help the channel. I hope you enjoy Brave. I think it's a great browser and certainly worth a look. Until next time, thanks. Bye bye.